I was gifted this Longchamp bag a while ago. I love it for short trips like this. So in my bag, I'll be packing a little jacket in case it gets cold in LA, and then just my clothes for tomorrow and underwear. And my journal is in here, as you can see. And then this is gonna go in my purse, and that's it. Oh, and makeup. I haven't packed that yet, but I'll be doing that. Paris? Be good.
Triple cheese
Be good, okay?
on the side.
Be right back. Okay, you too. Phoebe, take good care of the kiddos, okay? Be good. She has pink cheeks.
I haven't done my eyebrows and my eyeliner yet, okay? I haven't done it yet.
Okay, golden.
Feels a little fresher in the elevator.
Yeah.
The AC a lot more in the lobby. And like,
We finally made it back to the hotel. Well, no, we just checked into the hotel and we're about to go to sleep. It is like what time is it right now? I don't even know. It is 3:07 and we are tired. So we're just gonna say goodnight. So the plan is today, of course, I'm not using the dailies. Just using the weeklies here. Today is Monday, Labor Day. We have just one thing scheduled today, which is the massage. After that, we are going to pick up a coffee and just take off. Probably around 5. Right now, it's 10:50. Get ready, pack up, check out, eat, and then maybe grab some coffee and then head out to the spa. I'm gonna journal for a minute. It's my little journal, which I've been enjoying. Sterling Ink just came out with a bunch of new stuff. I am not sure that I am gonna be ordering a whole bunch, but I love her stuff, and I think in terms of journaling, I'll probably pick up like an empty notebook, possibly. I just don't feel the need for these in the front. I was trying to attempt at using it just for work and just keeping it very separated into this planner, but it was not a really good transition. So I do have my personal for personal stuff, and it works as an on-the-go as well. So it just works perfectly. And then I've got the A5 or half letter for work. Let me get journaling, get ready, and get out of here. I managed to update everything I could remember in terms of spending for this travel, but I don't know exactly the amount. I have to look at the receipts, but I did collect all the receipts. That's key when you're traveling. So I have written down all of it, and what cards I used, or if I used cash, and then all the little details that I could remember. If I don't do this on the next morning at the minimum, if not on that night, there's no way of remembering. And then now I have to go through my credit cards and my wallet to figure it out. What if we did a cute little what's in my bag? All right, so let's do it right here. Okay, so this is a cute little bag that I recently purchased, and I love it. This is what it looks like. It's a double pocket area. Looks like that. And it's cool because you could extend this and you could put it back when you're not trying to get everybody up in your business, and it just kind of looks like that. So I do extend it. There are pockets in the front like this, and a tiny little pocket with Bottega's signature weave. And then on the other side of that is, I don't know if you can see it, it's kind of a glare over here. So let's go from the back. So I have my pocket, which you guys know, I've done a ton of flips recently. We have a wallet, Chloe wallet, which I love just because the zipper is so amazing. It takes no effort. And I have my cash and credit cards in there. I have cash that are just kind of put in there. When you're on trips, this is what happens. So I like to layer my cash in order of importance, I guess. So it's gonna go back in here. Bracelet, the Valentino bracelet, which I was wearing yesterday. Nothing else. In my pocket, I have my valet ticket from one of the places we went to last night, and a Laneige lippy, which I love. I usually tuck my phone in here, so it's easily accessible. I've got my little sanitizer, hand sanitizer spray, which I love. This is the Power Mist Hydrating Hand Sanitizer in the watermelon scent, wild watermelon scent. That's what I have. It smells so good. Then I have my little pouch. This one I was influenced by Carrie Paulette. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a TikTok watcher, but Carrie Paulette got me to purchase this. She had these cute little pouches, and I just store little band-aids, first aid stuff for the family. And then my daughter is an influencer, so she gets a bunch of things, products, and I get freebies from my daughter. So go follow her if you're not following her. She's a very interesting person. And then I've got a little, this is a Korean brand, kind of Neosporin. That's what it is. I really like it. This is a Japanese brand. I got it at Tesso for itch stuff. If you're Japanese, let me know if I'm using it for the right purpose. But that's as far as I know. I have another card in here which needs to be put into the wallet. I was looking for that last night. I have some Zyrtec because my husband has allergies when we travel some places. So I always have that readily available because
he doesn't. I have another lippy slash lipstick. This is in the color 12 Veld Rose, which I love. It is a very subtle color, but it definitely shows, and it conditions your lips at the same time. So this is, I think, better than Dior in my opinion. And then I have another one because, you know, my daughter gave me like 10 of them. Yeah, she's rich in products, let me tell you. And I have a lippy from my doctor, my dentist, and a little, this is my favorite brand actually. This is the Guerlain, and they have, this is the Aqua Allegoria. But not my favorite scent exactly, but my daughter gifted this to me. She had a couple from her friend, but I have another scent that I really favor. It's like pink. I can't remember the name of it. And then I have another card in here, which should be stored in my wallet as well. On the other side of it, this is a cute little like card I got from Conrad when I was staying there in Los Angeles last time. We usually stay at the Intercontinental or Conrad, but today we're staying at JW Marriott because I had a bunch of points with Marriott, so I thought I would just use that up. And so we basically paid like $46 to stay here at a nice hotel, so I don't mind it. So I'll put all these back. One thing I do with my receipts during the trip is I like to put it inside the planner like this on the day of, because otherwise I'm gonna forget to log it in. But as you saw, I logged it all in, so I'm just gonna pop it in here until I go back and sit down somewhere, maybe at a cafe later if we have time, and just write down the numbers.
Let's go.
Coffee.
Rightfully so, it's Labor Day.
I know.
We're here trying to eat. We did Korean pharmacy shopping. Can you see it?
Yeah.
A lot of pharmacy stuff. Oh, and then a lot of beauty products from LA K-Town. As if we don't have it online, and as if we don't have it in Arizona. We do this every time.
As if it's not more expensive here.
It just feels like right to do Korean shopping in a K-Town in LA. I don't know why. And to eat Korean food. We have Korean food in Arizona too, but you know, it just feels right to eat it here. How do you feel? Oh my gosh, our skin is really soft.